Hello everyone, my name is Riccardo and today I'll show you how to install and how to use the Solana CLI. But first, this video is sponsored by Esivium. Esivium is the first project that is developing a democratic metaverse. Join us on Discord and become a member of our growing community. Okay, so to install the Solana CLI, we need to go in the Solana docs webpage. And here we can find all the instructions to install the CLI on different systems. Today we will use Windows, so we scroll down and here we can find the two commands needed to install the CLI. We copy the first command, we open a command prompt as administrator, and we paste the first command. It will take a few seconds. Okay, so now we copy the second command, we paste it, and we hit enter. Now, I already have the CLI on my system, so in your case it will take a few seconds. We hit enter again, and we close this command prompt. Now we open a new one, and we type Solana version to check if we have the CLI installed. Now I have to correct the syntax. Okay, we have it. Now we can generate a new wallet, and to do so we go still on the Solana docs webpage under file system wallet. We copy this command and we paste it in here. I will modify the path a little bit. And then we hit enter. Now it will ask if you want to choose a BIP39 passphrase. In my case, I won't do it, but it will improve the security. Okay, so wrote new keeper to my Solana, to the my Solana folder. Now, we save this information because it's very important and you will need it in the future. And be aware that if somebody knows your seed phrase, then they will have access to all your funds and all your NFTs. So keep it safe. Now we go back, and to set this new keeper as our default keeper for this Solana CLI wallet, we say Solana config set k as keeper, and then we have to paste or write the path to the keeper. In my case, it is this. So okay, confirmed. Now we check the address. And you can see that now we can use our new wallet on the CLI. Now we check our balance. It should be zero sol. Now we check our network with Solana config get, and now we are on devnet. While we are on devnet, we can basically receive some sol as an airdrop, which we can use to test the functionalities of the CLI, or we can mint a test collection. We can do many things. And obviously you will not be using real sol, because this sol is in the devnet. It's not worth anything, so you can basically waste it. Now, Solana airdrop 1 Now we check our balance again. And now we have 1 Sol. Now I prepared a second wallet in here, where we have 1.5 Sol, to show you how you can transfer Sol between wallets with the Solana CLI. So we write Solana transfer, then we have to paste the pub key of the receiver, and then we write the amount of Sol that we will send. In my case it's 0.5. We hit enter, finalizing transaction. Now we refresh the Solana Explorer webpage and we can see that now we have 2 Sol. Last thing, if we want to switch between devnet and mainnet, we have to go on this webpage and we go under Solana clusters. We copy this command, we paste it here. We delete this URL, which is the devnet URL. And we go here and we copy the mainnet beta URL. We paste it, we hit enter. Now you can see that now we are on mainnet beta. And if we transfer Sol on mainnet, obviously you have to remember that this is real Sol, real money. So pay attention when you run your tests, because you have to make sure that you are on devnet. That's it for today. If you have a question, then join the Discord server. I'll leave the link in the description. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you want to see more Web3 tutorials, subscribe to the channel. See you next time.